Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate jelly cake. First, gather all your ingredients including cocoa powder, sugar, flour, eggs, and gelatin. You'll also need a 9-inch round baking pan. We'll start by mixing the dry ingredients, then adding the wet ones to form a smooth batter. This easy method ensures a delicious cake without complicated steps. Once your batter is ready, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease and flour a 9-inch round baking pan to prevent sticking. Carefully pour the chocolate cake batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Bake for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool completely. Now for the jelly layer. Dissolve 1 packet of unflavored gelatin in 1 cup of hot water, stirring until completely clear. Then, whisk in 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder until smooth. Let this mixture cool slightly, but not set. Once the cake is completely cool, gently pour the liquid jelly mixture evenly over the top. Place your chocolate jelly cake in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or until the jelly layer is fully set and firm. Once chilled, you can garnish it with chocolate shavings, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream for an extra touch. Slice and serve this delightful dessert. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.